Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today
Yeah,
I'm here with Cyclops and Gamersorial for another Minecraft Bed Wars video. Intro done. Now let's go.
Aquarium.
Yes. Which team?
Red.
Red. Hey.
What do you see like under my head?
I see the real Gamersorial.
It took me a long. It took. Your one is that meme, like that teddy bear looking black.
Ah yeah.
I don't know what it's called. Forgive me.
Okay, on YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Language.
So yeah guys, I have a new what do you call it? You don't call it mod, right? What do you call it?
Texture pack.
Texture pack.
Texture pack.
Wow, I'm getting old.
I'm not using it.
It's that thing that overlays with the default thing so it looks a bit better.
Okay.
Let's try to win first time. First time.
Go for 26 iron. Then you can get a pick and then you can get a pickaxe and then go.
Now wait for diamonds so we can get emerald.
Yes, get stuff.
And I'm not.
Who's gonna secure the base?
And I haven't.
You need gold.
I just started recording. I'm so sad.
Oh,
Wow.
it's fine.
Wow, I love this texture, but I mean, the wood.
Usually every single texture pack you get, you're like, wow.
No, the wood is like really nice. And
Wow, it's so good. Wow, it's good.
No.
Oh my god, I love it.
So I tried to speed bridge.
How did it
I
go?
was practicing speed bridge.
Cyclopsialot's next
I don't
YouTube
wanna
video
do that.
title. I tried speed bridging, it didn't work.
My brother can speed bridge.
Wow, your
I feel
brother
good,
literally
that's
runs
my
your YouTube channel. How do you feel? Do you feel like you have
I
let
don't-
down your
That's
family?
not my one.
Why have you let down your family by being a bad
It's not
brother?
his channel. It's not his channel.
That's not my one.
It used to be your channel, whatever, potato.
No, it's his brothers. He did it a long time ago. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What part of that don't you understand?
I don't know. Yippee! Yeah, that's
Oh, that's a blue kid.
Wow, I lag. Wow. Bloody hell.
Rizwan, where are you? No, blue. Let's go for blue. Dear fan, go for blue.
Me after said to cover this whole bed up and
Blue's good.
Wait. Are you going?
I'll go in. Yellow is coming to us.
yes, yellow is coming. I see you. I see you.
Please don't die, dude. Don't die.
My man.
Okay, wait. I'm going for blue.
Wow, okay. Leave me alone to fed off the upcoming uprising of people.
Okay.
Oh gosh, no. No, I could have gotten yellow there. Crap.
Bruh,
I
now
got
they're
one.
coming for us. GG.
Silence there. There's a blue kid coming.
You're going in, right?
I just
I'm
went.
going.
Wow, blue kid is coming. I'm gonna finish him off. Hey, wow. Wow, that was bad. Okay, that was bad.
Dude, green is so noob. They haven't even bridged yet.
I am so noob. I defy green's perspective.
Wait, blue kid.
I'm lagging air.
The blue kid killed me, so.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
They're dead. That goes out there.
Mm.
Oh, no. He's in.
Huh? Oh, okay.
I got
He's in
him.
Wow,
I got
he's
him, I
down.
got him.
There was one
Where did
down.
he go? There's another blue kid.
What?
Oh, yeah, that's not that. You guys got him, right? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I got him.
Good.
Why are they hiding?
Did you all didn't even finish blue. They
They
took
don't want
yellow's
to break
bed.
the bed.
Yellow's bed is
Okay,
done.
let's go. I'll go for blue.
Yes.
Wait. Rizwan, please wait.
Why?
Please wait.
Why?
Go with me. I have the goods.
You have a pick? I mean, not a pick.
Yeah.
You have an axe.
Yeah, I have an axe.
Why am I so bad at PvP now?
I got a fire charge.
Because you don't have your hawks.
Oh, blue incoming. Blue incoming. Blue incoming.
Blue incoming.
Oh, he killed me? How? I'm so bad.
Someone.
I got him.
Okay. Good.
Good.
So bad, subscribe. I'll become better.
Their base is primitive. Let's kill them quickly.
Rizwan, let's go. You guys Rizwan?
I'm in mid. Come.
No wait, let's go for blue.
Go for blue.
Yeah.
Wait, you go from middle, I go from side.
He just knocked me in the way.
Cyclops a lot.
I don't know why I'm so bad now.
Will you bloody
Oh,
go?
Kill that guy, dude. You're in. No, he's gonna kill you.
Oh, yellow guy is coming to help me. Yellow guy is coming.
There's another red, yellow and...
What is that knockback?
Yeah, what is that knock?
What is that knockback?
They are bridging.
Help me, they are bridging. Blue is there.
Hey, kill Aura. Yes,
Yellow?
kill Aura. Blue. There's a blue person.
Nibba.
He dead.
Blue kid up top.
Get a fireball. Someone get a fireball. That comes the TNT. You know it's TNT.
Wow. What was that?
And he has another fireball.
My grandma can shoot better. What was that?
Look how bad he walks.
You never grab.
Take a little bit. I think we can get him when he's going out.
You make me look like a Bed Wars pro, you know. Who sent that?
Not me.
Which idiot sent that? See, at least that hit him a bit.
I did it.
Good in the side behind you. No.
Huh?
Good here. Good. Get him.
Nibba.
Get him.
He has kill Aura. That noob has kill Aura.
Nibba.
Yo, Rizwan needs to go for blue.
Will you all go for blue?
Okay. Let's go now.
Yeah, I'll get some blocks quickly.
I was just trying to go in. I'm not kidding.
The later you are to go, the faster they'll come and murder us. I'm gonna get an iron sword.
Get a diamond. Get a diamond.
I think we can afford obsidian, dude. There.
Wait. I'm going.
Okay, Cyclops will put obsidian.
We have enough obsidian.
Okay, get obsidian. Get quick. Get the obsidian.
I'm coming. Are you everything?
Wow. Cyclops will...
Here. Take them out.
There are two people coming.
No.
There are two
people are coming. Put your stuff in the ender chest.
I got one.
Bruh. What did he think he can do?
Okay.
Quickly fill it. Okay, let's go. Rizwan, are you ready?
Wait, this one, fill it.
The obby.
Yeah, fill it up.
Obby? Go
Fill it up.
for Obby.
Fill it up. Fill the obby up. I'll secure you.
I don't have a pick. Can I have a...
I have wooden pick.
I don't have
Blue is
Blue is coming. You people are taking too much time. Oh yeah, wait. Blue is coming. Blue kick me out. Blue is coming.
No, I got them both.
Oh, nice.
Can someone mine the defense so we can put this down?
Oh yeah.
Wait, I will go ahead and suicide myself to Blue.
Okay, do it.
No.
Wait.
I'll keep Blue in their base, at least part of them.
That one.
Wow, am I about to go into Blue's bed without them even knowing?
Quickly,
trap.
Rizwan.
One more. Okay, the top two.
Come on, we are counting on your...
Coming.
Yeah, I'll deal with them. You put obsidian now.
Okay, it's done.
Okay.
It's done.
Now get good stuff.
Just cover it up. Okay, let's go for blue now, for real.
For realsies. Wait, I need some gold.
Wait, one has
Fine,
to,
donation.
wait. One has to stay back. Otherwise, wait. Let me just kill. Let me just try to kill one of the Nimbas. No. Okay. I'm gonna be at base. You all go, cause if red comes in, I'll alert you all. So for now, you all go and break blue bit. Go.
We are red. There are 2 people coming.
Oh,
There
we
2
are
people
red.
coming.
Then lime might kill us. So yeah.
Rizwan, now is the time to go. Now is the.
I got minus 15. Oh, come on. Crap.
I got one. Okay, go.
They had a minus 15, dude. Damn.
Ah.
Oh, wow.
Do you have a minus 15?
I don't think so.
I killed him.
him.
No wait. Did you
I'll
kill him?
go
I
for
don't know.
it.
I killed someone.
I'll go from
I
that
feel
above
happy.
them now, so because we have the obsidian.
Yeah,
Right
we
now,
have
so far, okay? I don't know what they have, but I don't think it's obsidian because
like if someone can like kill himself and you can go to spectate mode and like peeking
and break
inside.
it. I don't think 5 seconds is enough to break that though.
No, not break it. Just like go. You can go through it.
Wait. Lehan, come quick. Come, Lehan. Go through the bridge. Can you see? They are going up, so then you can just go through the thing and. Oh, okay, that
Are
guy.
we yellow?
No,
We are red.
yellow is dead.
Oh no, blue guy chasing me. Please don't. I have 6 emeralds, please don't. No! Dude, the blue guy's coming. Kill him.
Done.
He has 6 emeralds. Run back. He has 6 emeralds. There's a guy chasing you.
Kill him. I got the emeralds.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, now what do I do with the emeralds?
Those are my pick.
He threw his stuff.
Wait. Cyclops art here. Here. There you go.
No.
What are you trying to do? That's it.
Can you get more obby?
Are you kidding?
I mean, we can go for a second there and.
Wait. Lime is too quiet.
Yeah, lime is too quiet.
Blue is coming. Blue coming.
Oh gosh, he got me in mid. He's coming now.
Yeah, another blue guy is coming
Incoming.
also. Two
Incoming,
blue
incoming,
kids
incoming.
incoming.
They saw the obby, dude. They saw the obby by dead.
Really? They saw the obby?
Yeah, they saw it. So now
How?
they're gonna bring the pick next time. But he broke 1 block in front
Fudge.
before I could knock it in.
Are you sure he saw it?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Wow,
I
Lehan.
How do you know he just broke it and he
saw it.
died?
He broke 1 block and he saw it. I think.
No,
Can you go from the side? Then he'll get distracted and I can go in from mid.
yeah, that was kind of what you can do.
You know, this would never have happened if you all had actually went and broken the blue bed without deciding on what stuff to get.
But then you
Blue coming. Wow, they have good. Oh no, blue is there. Go, quickly, and front. Nice.
No backer. Can someone get some?
I go so many times to do this.
Oh my god. Wait, we might be actually getting the bed right now.
Might.
One of our teammates, I think, are in. No, I don't think so. He must have died.
Rizwan,
Yeah, he
come with
died.
me. Come with me.
Let's go.
Oh, stop lagging, please.
Is that lagging?
No.
I thought it was wrong then.
Okay, blue guy is trying to steal yellow's forge. I'm just gonna go and kill him.
Oh, Daddy!
Yes.
Yes!
Daddy.
GG people!
Daddy!
Okay, I'm going for the blue guy.
Daddy.
Wait, I'm going for one of the blue guys.
Oh, fine. Okay.
Oh, blue guy is coming. Blue kid is... no, he went up, but okay. Guys, get to our base now. Don't go for kills.
Blue guy in mid. Kill guy in mid. We don't want him to get emeralds. Come.
Yeah, we don't want.
Whoa, he killed me.
I
Okay,
think-
that's actually good. Because I want to go back to the base.
Guy in mid just waiting in that forge.
There's another guy who went in... Wait, blue guy is coming from the right side. Blue is bridging from the right side. They are gonna come from the right side.
I see. I'm going for it. I'm
Okay.
going for it. Forget about
Okay,
it.
go for it, go for it, go.
I think I can't see.
Nice.
Come on, team effort, people. Team effort.
No, I knocked it from the other side. You gotta be kidding me.
He died.
We need another layer of
Okay,
defense.
okay. So good. I killed him.
Yeah, he died. So all chill. Only
I-
one blue guy left.
I got iron forts.
I'm stuck here. Can someone bridge?
Wait. I'm.
Oh, I'll just leave and that's 8 emeralds, dude.
Oh no, yeah, don't.
Wait, I'll bridge. Where are you?
The left, no.
Yeah.
Right down. This is one blue guy still alive, that's why I'm scared of. He stays in mid just waiting to get diamond down.
Wait, I'll just go.
Do you have it?
I'll go
Did you
pay
get
his
diamond?
visit and come.
No, yeah, I got 8 diamonds. I'm buying sharpness.
I'll go pay this.
If you
Oh yeah,
have enough
Blue Kid is
gold,
coming.
wait.
Blue Kid is coming. Blue Kid is coming for our base. He has diamond armor. I repeat, he has diamond armor.
Where is he?
He's coming to our base from the left side.
Ah yeah, I see him. Invis doesn't work, kid. Invis does not.
Oh.
Whoa, what?
Nice. GG people.
Really?
GG.
Wait,
GG.
don't you get diamond to your boots and legs?
Yeah, no, there's some glitch in this where you can invert it. I don't know how to do that. I've seen this before as well.
Okay, whatever. Now for lying people.
Go.
Yeah, done. Oh no, we had to break the bed. Okay, break the bed.
How deep is that bed defense? Oh my god. I broke it, okay.
Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna put a dream defender for the fun of it.
Kill him.
GG people.
First match.
First match.
Let's see. First match.
Looking good.
Match.
Finally.
Okay, now
What
what?
are these things?
I told you red is our lucky color.
Okay, whatever. What shall we go now? Stone keep?
Yeah, stone key.
Okay. Which one? Red.
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 Wait, my red is really low. Nothing.
As long as we don't get hackers, it should be fine.
Yeah, there was one hacker in blue, but I didn't know he knew how. Yeah, I don't think he knew how.
We got that bed. We didn't let them stack up.
Actually, you were the MVP. It was not. You like got two
Did I
beds.
get first killer?
I don't.
Wow,
Are you good?
Hey, it doesn't even say.
Yes.
Who is good?
How? No, Raj. I do fast bridge. Yes, my child. Maybe.
I'm gonna try speed bridging. I'll probably get it up.
Will you render? As usual, I'm gonna hit them.
I got clay by accident.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. It stinks.
Give me the clay. Give me the clay.
Watch me screw up the speed bridge. See, look.
Niba, who's doing this? Wow. Thank you, Nix. You were very helpful.
Lol. You like lol.
He can speed bridge. He can speed bridge. Here, take the clay. Then accidentally got.
Dear can finally upload a video. Meaning, there's a blue.
Yes, I see.
He's stacking up.
He's stacking up.
Oh,
Oh! People. Stack up, stack up. Let's do this. Oh no.
He's stacking, obviously. He has TNT. Does he? No, he doesn't. Trapezoid trigger?
Shit. Why did I buy that? Big brain fan.
Okay, what? I was like,
Did we just
they just
merge?
left.
How
He
hard
fell
is
off,
this?
dude.
GG blue.
Wow, are we becoming Bread Wars pros?
Techno baby.
Technically, like.
This is such a easy. Bredos is getting easy. It's just too easy.
Don't jinx it, dude.
Don't say that. That's when you that
Oh,
that
no.
word.
That's
That
when
word.
you already did it. That's when
Why do you think we never spoke of it? The last matches we spoke of that word, and then it just went bad. It went south from there. That's why we weren't speaking of that word. You idiot.
Yes.
I am disappointed in you.
Fine, yeah, you know. Oh, dude, it's just yellow now. And then noobs because they haven't even bridged.
He
Then-
jinxed it. I'm not gonna talk.
Yeah, I'm going to talk.
Okay, no, I'm serious. Oh no, yeah, there's a bridge. Okay, okay, we can do this now.
Oh my god.
There's a bridge from yellow. There's a bridge from yellow. I mean, from lime, I meant.
What the hell?
Let me check if they're hacking or not. Here's an iron sword. God dang it.
Wow.
2 taps and then dead.
The
I am going for them too.
what?
I are all dying right now. Oh.
It's glitching.
Oh.
The block glitch.
Ah, that glitch.
Our dude is going to yellow.
Yeah, I think he might get it actually.
He might get it.
Not like he's good actually. He could speed bridge. But normally speed bridges are probably not that good at PvP, I'm guessing. He's probably not that good at PvP because he didn't go into that yellow fire kill when I got my kill. He was just waiting on the base to
He's just lying over this lying.
help you.
Wow, I'm so dumb.
Help him with yellow, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
Help, yellow. We need help. Can you help us to the obsidian?
Help yellow, give me some ammo.
Please.
I feel like they have an emerald defense. Should we get Obby this time as well, or is it even worth it right now? Because they haven't even rushed as long. Please confirm where red Drake, I'm walking in.
Yeah.
Good.
Poop. It was worth a shot. It was worth a shot.
Yeah, I guess.
Wow, that was not worth the shot because I was having an iron
It
sword.
was worth a shot. It was worth a shot.
It wasn't
Shut up.
worth the shot. I had an iron sword. That was not worth the shot.
I had a wooden sword and there were 3 people teaming up. Where were you when that happened? Where were you when that happened?
I don't know.
That's what I thought.
Wow, it's so.
Silent.
I thought.
They have minor fatigue, I think. Yeah, they have minor fatigue.
Wait, wait.
Yeah, they have minor.
No, the only. I think there was some.
Yeah, because I tried
There's
to.
some gold. Yeah.
Huh?
There's some gold over there.
Wow, nice.
Oh, that.
Over there,
Was that a prank?
Over there.
down by the river.
Oh my.
What?
Did you die again?
I was like.
I died again.
The block glitched.
Next,
Dia,
me.
if you're so good, Dia, why don't you play the game?
I am
We
playing
don't
the
have-
game.
Okay, then let's play solo. Let's
No,
play solo
no,
next.
Oh, no.
No.
He's.
I don't want
I
to.
mean,
Yeah.
the defense is gonna be hard to break in.
Solo is not fun.
Solo is fun.
So it's not fun.
As long as you're good, it's fun. They should do something like this. One item you can get with diamonds. Like, oh, poopsies. The yellows. Yeah, go.
Oh,
This
God,
person-
I just have to get up. There's a bridge out from mid, by the way, so you can use that too. I kind of aimed it too high, so it's hard to dig in.
Okay.
Can someone give me 2 diamonds?
There's 2 diamonds in mid. Oh, I have 1. If you want, I can give you 1.
Kind donations, all this.
Can someone wait
You
in the
want
way?
it? You want it?
Yeah, I want. I need all the diamonds.
That's doing what, right?
Yeah. Wait, Emma?
Oh, Emma? Oh, I thought Emma's was diamond. 60.
I thought you need them.
Big brain.
The yellow person is dumped off.
We don't have.
Hey, if you all have gold, can you give me so I can buy TNT?
I think you'll need at least 3 TNT for that kind of defense.
No, wait, Rizon, can you come give me that one emerald? So I can like jump
I'll
and...
just die up to them.
Okay, guys, they are going full defensive. They have like a small block that is in front when when you're going to like. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So many of them just fall off. Oh, that was you. So many of them fall off. That was you.
And you're like, you're the worst.
No, I actually just walked off. That's the problem.
Ah, okay.
It was just tactical, you know.
Rizon, give me that emerald. Oh, that's one pick.
It's
Defense.
all part of the plan, you know.
And it's all come together.
Yeah. Falling off is
Okay.
all part of the plan.
Yes.
Tactical there. Tactical there.
Tactical.
Yeah.
Wait. This one. You all. Yeah, you go from there.
I'll go.
Oh, yellow guy in the mid. Yellow guy in mid. Yellow guy in mid.
Yellow guy is coming. Yellow.
Mid guy.
No, from
Why did
diamonds.
I get?
Oh, that
He
guy.
has fire.
Yeah.
Why did I bridge him? Why did I bridge like that? Oh gosh, wait, no, don't lose it. Please don't lose it.
I need backup. I need.
Coming.
Oh, I got you.
Oh,
I got you.
Nice,
Yes.
nice,
Thank
nice.
God, thank God. No one else, right? No one else?
Yeah, no
No,
one.
no.
We Gucci.
Rizwan, where are you?
I'm in mid so far. I don't know what I'm doing in mid.
Oh, wait. Now we have a bridge to yellow. Now we have a close bridge to yellow.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna use their bridge to kill them. I will use it to be their downfall. Oh yeah, they're coming. If you wanna know.
Really? If
You idiot! Haha, you idiot. Wow, that was dumb of you.
Why is it
no.
so hard to get
Oh,
over? Yeah, that's the
no.
problem. Then
Oh no, now I am alone.
wait, there. I'm.
Yeah.
Help is coming. One of our teammates is going.
Okay, wait. I'm also going in.
Hey, get this mid. You should use the jumpers for mid though.
Yeah. No. I'm using for the call.
Yeah, I guess that's fine. We need. I should destroy.
Wait, always keep a
unless
count
it's-
of them. Always keep a count of them, otherwise they'll go to
My
our way.
KDR is probably like 0.2.
Wow.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh,
Oh, it's open. I think it's open. Dude.
I hit it once. Yeah, it's really open. It's open in.
Okay, then
It's not
we'll go
open
from
enough.
that side.
It's not open enough, people. It's not open enough.
That's.
I tried. Oh yeah, yellow is coming first.
That's cute.
I mean that guy?
Yeah,
You mean
this
this guy
guy.
here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the guy here. There.
You think he's gonna come for us, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad.
Okay.
Nice. Kill.
Yeah.
I kind of forgot I don't have speed and I just jumped off.
Ooh, I got 7 diamonds. Let's get sharpness, people.
Yes, I also have 7 diamonds. Give me, let's go have a
Watch me run off and fall.
Wait, give me.
Oh, incoming. Oh god. Forget
That's
about
what
it.
she said. Incoming.
That's so bad. We just set in the void.
So their bed defense is still really good.
Yeah, but normally noobs do the really good defenses.
Wow.
No offense to you, but
Wow, it's just okay.
well, I mean you're pretty bad, right?
He's pretty good
I-
actually.
I'm
He got
yeah.
on with
Well, if I got a sharp iron, I guess it's pretty good. I've never actually played a game when you got a bed.
yeah.
What did you get?
why the hell did I buy wood?
Bruh. A silverfish.
Silverfish?
Yeah, that is true.
A silverfish.
You died. You died.
Silverfish?
A
You
silverfish. And then
You died. Yeah, accept the fate.
what do you think? He put a silverfish and then I'd kill it and then
You
he
died to a silverfish.
I didn't die to a
And you're like,
silverfish, I died to him.
We accidentally fought for a block glitch and you're like, wow, and you died to a
no,
silverfish.
I killed the silverfish. I died due to that guy. Watch my clip.
I have TNT.
It's so much in the open now. Oh, it's wood. God dang it. It's wood. I think it's all wood completely. You can probably dig it in.
Where I'm going.
I'm also-
It's probably
Lock yourself in, okay? Like, take some blocks and like cover yourself.
I am undercover in their base.
Cover yourself in the one.
That's not
Dun
good.
dun dun dun
That's not
dun
very
dun 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 dun
No,
dun
I'm
dun
here,
dun
I'm here.
dun dun dun.
Yeah, try that.
I have been spotted.
Lord.
I have been spotted.
How many blocks do you have? I have TNT.
You want to see
Can
how
someone-
fast I can?
Oh, this good. This dude knows what he's doing.
Who jumped?
Nice. Okay.
Wait, let me get this block.
I am gonna do
I need,
unthinkable.
please, I need blocks. I need blocks.
I am going
I'm
to do
getting
the unthinkable.
stuff behind you. Yeah, no.
Wait,
I'm trying to play. Okay, I got one.
I need.
Okay, we got two.
No, wait, I need blocks quickly. I have TNT. I have TNT. Please, someone give me blocks.
Guys,
Can you jump in and distract them? Do they have a go? Are you going to
Wait.
Go.
No! Screw them. Oh, yeah, jump.
I jumped and
Oh.
I got killed.
No, I can buy another TNT.
Okay, I know what to do.
Oh, wait, yellow card.
Oh, no, TNT.
Yeah, he put the TNT, but then he jumped off.
Died, right?
He died.
Where did you come from?
I killed him.
Wait, I saw. Is this allowed?
I just saw the alarm and I was like, no, you don't. Not today.
Nah.
Ooh.
You ain't gonna break my win streak for some silverfish.
Wait, streak.
My win streak must be retained.
It is probably gonna go any place. So
One. It's a win streak of one.
yes, it's a win streak of very precious.
It is one that matters, not all. Hashtag quotes by the brave and the great.
I cannot.
Be gone, dear. Be gone.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Can y'all please, babe?
Wow, that could have gone good if he hadn't jumped.
You're done.
I broke one block. Just helping you out.
Let's go.
Let's go. Baby
I
steps
have
over.
TNT. I have
Baby
TNT.
steps.
I have TNT. I'm
No,
yellow. No. He was in our bed. I just saw his name tag.
Oh yeah, his name tag.
Don't go.
Why?
Oh,
Wait, what?
Wait,
won.
what? We won? We won!
I broke it.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Okay.
Red.
I mean red.
I
I
don't know
mean
what
red.
happened last time. Did I not click red?
I don't know.
I mean red, right?
Yeah.
Use ins red.
Roses are red, violets are blue, and I'll impale you.
Okay, this
PG-13.
guy looks good. Khalid 711.
Khalid.
Khalid 711 is
DJ Khalid.
and Austin Mohammed looks good.
Mohammed?
Yeah, there's Austin Mohammed and
Mohammed, oh hell no.
Oh,
We are gonna lose.
I
Yeah,
think
gonna blow up the
I
entire
feel
map.
like this one's messed up. Okay, whatever. We know that to go for line. If you take out line,
Bruh.
I think we're good.
No, it's
line.
I sit next to Yasiru. That's messed up. This is not
Pro
messed
game.
up.
Well, that's messed up. Yes.
Yes.
I think this is a new person.
Yeah.
Cool.
Top
This person.
games.
This person.
Oh, I saw you were the new guy because he was actually doing something.
He was mining.
He was
I guess.
mining.
I do that as well.
Give me your
I do it for
gold.
fun.
No, he wasn't.
I
Oh,
am
he's
thirsty
building. He's
for
building.
gold.
He's feeding.
He's building.
I
He's
thirsty for
building a
gold.
wall.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no, 101. No 101. If he's
Who's
building
that?
a wall, no 101.
No, he's not building a wall.
Put a dead defense down.
If he's
I'm
building a wall, he's a Trump supporter. Get your
Okay, he's
facts
giving
right.
me blocks.
Nice. Wow. Wow, awesome. Muhammad died. Yeah, we are gonna win this. Okay.
No, he might have been trying to speed bridge though. That's why he fell
Oh, he
off.
might have blew himself up. Moving on. We are looking at
Well,
the
that
possibilities.
too.
We are looking at the
Possibility.
possibilities.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
What
Wow.
was it?
He jumped. It's not my problem. He jumped into the sea.
Whose bridge mid?
Type in the
Whose bridge
chat.
mid?
Happy new
I
boy.
said it's gone.
Naimbe is gone.
Happy
Happy
new
new
boy.
boy, kill him.
Yellow's good, dude. Yellow's good, dude. Let me go for yellow, that's right.
Oh,
Yellow is coming, yellow is coming.
Jinx.
Cool down.
I got it. Yes.
Nice. Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
no, now it's spawn.
Ah?
Yes.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, just. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna shut up in there.
Okay, now we are down to 2 beds.
Blue's good though. Blue's real good.
Is that Muhammad?
Oh no. then you're gonna lose.
No.
If Muhammad's in it, oh damn.
Oh, damn.
It's no point. It's not even a point really trying.
Yes. We might as well go home.
Yeah, I mean, stay home.
Stay home. Yeah, stay home. People sleep.
Oh, blue guy's right here.
Huh?
God damn it, where did you come from? Blue guy's in yellow. No. Oh, what was that?
The block. Oh my goodness.
Wait. Who smashed that keyboard into obsidian?
Nothing.
Oh,
Blue guy, yes, I see him. I see. Okay.
That's him.
Wow. Wow, thank you, Cyclops a lot. Thank you.
Wait, what? Oh, I thought it was final.
You stole my thunder.
He's only
I
killed.
know two people standard.
Oh, that's only one yellow guy. मेरे को
Tiger.
Huh?
No. I think that happened. I think.
When the lion meets the lion.
They're doing the pro defense.
When the
I
hacker
have
meets
worries.
the hacker.
Blue, we better take them out right now.
Oh, no, lag. Okay.
I was going for the base, but...
Thou shall not. Oh!
Oh, what's that?
No, Invis. He's Invis.
TNT.
Block it up.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, GG.
GG. Close call, mates. Close call.
Oh, they're coming through diamond. There's another two people rushing, dude. Get over here. We can knock him in, I think.
Wow.
Don't go. I think he might get knocked.
Jobless bug.
Oh, no. I fear this. You know what? Why are they over here? Screw them. I'm going for that base.
I'm at base.
Wow. Okay, you died. Oh, yeah, they are going to the base. They know we are coming for them. They have a shitty base defense. Kill them. Bed defense. Why am I saying base defense?
Base defense.
English 101. English
I
101.
think you play too much World of Wartanks.
Yes. I am actually downloading it.
Did we get any of them? Dude, that yellow guy's still alive. Wait, what?
That bugger be vibing somewhere.
No, he might be in mid. I don't think he might be in mid. I feel like he might be in mid.
Wait, what is this? What is this green bar?
What?
Nothing.
Are you okay?
Last night phenomenon's coming back to mind.
Oh, no. There's a guy, he's gonna buy diamond armor. Blue guy's gonna get diamond armor. We let them stack up crap.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I think I'm being followed.
Huh?
No, I'm not.
No, he's stuck.
How much is reinforced armor? Can someone give me 1 diamond?
1 diamond, okay, I'll get it. Just stay in the base, don't let anyone come.
I don't wanna let blue stack up. No.
Please.
Wait.
Get endstone. We need endstone.
Okay, I'll get into. I got exactly 1 diamond. My diamond looks like star in this case. Hey ho.
Shut up, Diaz. What's wrong? Gimme. Hey ho. What was that laugh?
The war cries of the gods.
Okay.
Pink guy, red guy is coming. Red, not. That's you. Okay. You look so
It's a
weird.
red-
You look
it's
so
a
weird.
red-
You
I
look
was
so
trying to
weird.
I bought reinforced armor. That's why.
No. His like face is weird. It looks like he's like Invis, but then he's not Invis.
Are you insulting me? No.
It's because of my skin, you know, that weird.
Oh my god! Can you all just kill this blue guy? Actually, don't just you all go for the blue bed. I'll stay at the base and then protect it with my life.
No! Their bed's open.
Break
Their bed's open. I opened the bed. Oh no, they're putting in stone. No.
Oh, who you?
Rips everywhere, boys. Rips.
Yes, I got him in the voice. Okay,
I'm going once again. Rizon, Dia, you stay.
Yes.
Stay.
I will guard the bed with my life.
Shall I come with two TNTs?
No, I don't think TNT will work with instant.
TNT works with instant. I just don't want to die in mid though, that's fine. I just don't want to die to him with 2 TNT on me, that's fine.
Yeah, then they
Oh, come on.
left.
Did I not? All of that.
Let's do this, boys. Let's do this. Let's do this.
You make this?
I kill him. Noob. He like started placing blocks.
There's two of them. There's two of them here.
I'm shaking for no reason. What am I
Okay, I'm
doing?
gonna blow up a diamond bridge. You know what? No. Oh, dude, they're coming.
Huh?
They're coming.
Reason, calm down.
So calm down.
No.
Calm down, child. Calm down.
No.
Oh yeah, they are
That
coming.
dude, they're bringing up. He has TNT.
I know. I see. Can someone bridge up? Hello. Wow.
I am not at base. I am not at
Yeah,
base.
we are fucked.
I am not at base.
We are fucked, by the way. Just saying you. Yeah, we are fucked.
No. Cover it up.
Oh, we aren't fucked. Damn.
Yeah, I mean that TNT could have blown up everything. Just make it go up more so that.
Put in stone.
Wait. Wait.
That's sandstone. Yeah.
Wait.
Clay is also.
No, you're supposed to be protecting the bed.
Wait.
You had one block.
You had one job.
One
You had
job.
one job, bro.
One job. Take this for one job. There you go. That's one job.
Okay.
Move
Whoever
on.
the Dream Defender, whoever the Dream Defender is good.
It was me, you idiot.
Okay.
You had one job. You had one
This is
job.
my one job.
We're giving him too much pressure. He's still a rookie. He's still learning.
Oh god.
Lamau.
We literally have a
Oh,
iron
yeah.
golem with us.
Game is for real. Are you going for it? If you go from that side, it's only one block of.
They are all here.
Huh?
I know that's the problem. Yeah, leave that block trap. He's gonna fall in.
Oh, they did not fall. Oh no, this is bad.
Wow.
Help.
I am getting up for another Dream Defender.
Okay. Oh, who's drinking? Was that you?
No, that was not me.
Someone drank pots.
Oh
Someone
my
drank pots.
god, our Dream Defender. Will you get
I
here?
said,
Hey, you. You,
Who?
get here.
who?
The Dream Defender is wandering around. You had one job, Dream Defender. One job, you have one job. Get your dumb iron ass in here.
This is so sad.
Yeah, come, quickly.
Calm down, dear. Calm down.
Top games, what I... Top games? Top games? Don't you dare.
YouTube algorithm detect wearing.
He was pushing the iron golem like into the void.
Dying on turn into the void.
I swear. No,
How
he
many kills
didn't.
you have?
He's still there. Who, me?
Game is real. You as well. How many kills?
I
you
have one kill.
I have 12 kills, 2 finals.
I have 5.
Make that
Okay,
into
final.
4 finals and then we'll win. So go. Oh, blue is stacking up. Blue is stacking up to
I
us.
got when
Blue is
the
coming.
maximum amount of kills I got was 24.
Blue.
GG.
I don't care. Blue is coming.
GG. GG.
Easy. Not even hard.
Okay, we have got 2 Dream Defenders. But blue is coming. Blue is coming. Blue can put a TNT and we'll be
Did
done.
you get it? Did you get
Yes,
it?
I got one. I got another one.
Blue is in our base.
I know. It's just one guy. He's right up there. I can see him.
Yeah, it's just one guy, but if that one guy has TNT, we are doomed, and I don't want to go.
Oh! Alright, I almost stopped. Calm down.
Why
Guys,
is that one blue kid?
I can't
Stop
get.
it off, yeah. Dude, just fireball this. I don't want to stop.
Wait, Cyclops a lot. Wait, come and stay where I am. I can get a fireball.
Oh, come on, you had to move. Knock him in. Yeah.
GG!
Let's go.
GG!
3 in a row.
Three in a
Let's
row,
go,
3 in a
let's
row.
go.
So yeah guys, that's all for today. Join me next time on my stream.
So results.
Probably be there.
I don't know how we're gonna do
I'm
this.
streaming on Monday, so yeah, join my stream on Monday and watch it and be happy and live a nice life. Bye.